Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset Thinkorswim paper account. This walkthrough will help you return your simulated trading account to a clean slate, which is useful if you want to wipe out past practice trades, start a new strategy test, or recalibrate your buying power and cash to the default settings. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along without any surprises. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim app or the web platform. Make sure you're working in your paper trading environment since the reset feature applies to your simulated account and not a live brokerage account. Give the platform a moment to load fully so all panels and balances populate correctly. Next, head to the Monitor section at the top left. This is your activity hub. It's where you'll see positions, working orders, trade history, and account balances. Going here first ensures you're viewing the information that will be affected by the reset, and it gives you a quick snapshot of your current paper portfolio before you make changes. If you want a record of your progress, consider noting your current balance or taking a quick screenshot before you proceed. On the right side of the monitor area, look for the Adjust Account option. It's designed specifically for managing simulated balances and is typically placed near your balance details or account controls. If the interface looks slightly different based on updates or layout, simply scan the right-hand area of the monitor view and you should see it. Click Adjust Account to open the adjustment panel. Here you'll find the tools that control your paper account's balances. Locate the checkbox labeled Reset All Balance. Selecting this tells the platform to reset your paper money balances back to their defaults. This action clears simulated positions and orders and refreshes your cash and buying power, allowing you to start practice trading as if it were day one. Keep in mind that this won't affect any real accounts, but it will remove your current paper trading history and positions. After selecting Reset All Balance, click Apply to finalize the change. The platform will process the reset, and you may see your balances update after a brief moment. Once it's done, return to the monitor view to confirm you're back to the default paper account state with no open positions and refreshed buying power. That's it. You've successfully reset your Thinkorswim paper account. With a clean slate, you're ready to test new ideas, refine strategies, and practice risk management from the ground up.